In this video, you'll learn how to automatically send an approval email when a new SharePoint list item is created, and delete the item if it's rejected. This is great for request forms, purchase approvals, or leave requests where you only want approved items to stay in your list. Let's start. Go to Power Automate and create a new automated cloud flow. Choose the trigger when an item is created, and select your SharePoint site and list. Next, add the action Start and wait for an approval. Select Approve or Reject, first to respond. Give it a title like Approval Request, and add any other fields you want in the details. Then, under Assign To, enter the approver's email address, for example, a manager. Now, add a condition that checks if the response is Approve. If the outcome is Approve, you can send a confirmation email or update the item status to Approved. If the outcome is Reject, add the action Delete item, and choose the same SharePoint site and list. Use the ID from the trigger so it deletes the exact item that was just created. Save your flow and test it. When a new item is added, the approver gets an email to review. If they reject it, the item is instantly deleted from SharePoint, keeping your list clean and accurate. That's it. You now have a fully automated approval process with cleanup included. If this was helpful, check out my other Power Automate tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step automations.